show you how to send bulk SMS with your phone using a free app. We are going to be sending this bulk SMS at 8 kobo per SMS. Okay, that's a page will take you 8 kobo. Now, the first thing is to get your message ready. So I will go to my notepad and show you my message. The message I've set to send, I've drafted to send. Now, if you notice the opening of the message, I said, "Hi, lovely," then you see $FN, then you see $LN. Now, I told you about customizing the message to personalize it, okay? And this first $FN means is the code to capture their first names. FN means first names. The $LN, the LN means last name. So in my case, I want to capture both their first and their last name. Okay, but you don't need to. What I'm doing it to is that the message I'm sending is up to 2 pages. Okay, but normally I send a page message, and when you're sending one page message, it's important to check to be sure that this message will just take one space, one page. How do you do that? You could copy the message. You could copy the message. Let me select all, copy. You go to your message box and go to my message box and do as though I want to send a message to someone. I'll just paste it here. Now it tells me it's already 2 pages, remaining 39 characters for 2 pages. So if I want to send one page message, I need to be sure that I have enough space at the end of the day because of the names. Okay, so at this point is less than 1 page. Okay, it's not showing me, and let me keep writing some things here until something comes up by that. I want to show you something just so you see something now. Can you see it's now 10 remaining 10 characters? So I wouldn't let it get to this point. I will make enough space because of the names, okay, in case you are using the name. So I can leave it somewhere here so that if the name is long, especially if I'm going with the first name, then it can still contain. If the name is longer where you're using both first and second name, then it will make more space available. Okay, so if you let me repost the message that I typed, so you see that mine has already exceeded 1 page, so I have 39 characters left. Well, it's fine for me. Okay, so let me return to clear this now and return to the message. Remember, I say first draft it so that you just copy and paste when the time comes. So I'm inviting them for a meeting this morning, this Sunday morning. So my message is okay. Remember, $FN for first name. So if I want to send for first name, I wouldn't need the other one, okay? But in this case, I want to send to both first and last name. All right. Now I'll have to copy it, select all, and copy. I've done that already, so I'm exiting this place. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the app. I told you it's a free app you can download from the Google Play Store. And the name of the app is Multi SMS Sender, MSS, as you can see here. So I'm clicking on it. So you see it's open. Multi SMS Sender, MSS is opening. Now it's telling me to select the SIM I want to use. And I'll go up here. I'll click there and select that I'm using it for this Multi SMS Sender. Put it at default. Now it's in SIM 2. Be sure the SIM you want to use. If it's in SIM 1, if it's in 1, just be sure from clicking up here. But I want to leave mine in SIM 2. If you want to leave yours in SIM 1, after setting that, you can put it in SIM 1, but mine is in SIM 2. And the next thing is go to settings. Okay, this settings part, you do it once. What am I looking for in setting? I'm looking for this personalized message. That's the major thing I'm looking for. There is another thing, but this is the first one. You see where you have enable personalize. I'll click on it. Now that I've clicked on it, I could select first name, I could select last name. If it's only first name you want, there's no need selecting last name. If it's only last name you want, there's no need selecting first name. So I've selected the two. I take it back. Then there's one more thing I want to do: delay messages or message. So the time in between the first message and the last message, or the next message that will be sent. So I'll come here and I want to put the time to 2 seconds. Okay, I think these are all I have to do for this. Yeah, I think I'm done. There's nothing else. So straight away, go down here and paste your message. I've pasted the message. Now you can still see from here that the message is about 2 pages, and that's from the string by the right. You see the number of the message, the characters, and the page number. Now the next I will do is to import the contacts. Now the good thing is that you can pick contact from your phone book, but the best of it is that you can import contact from an Excel file. This Excel file, you need to save it in CSV, okay? In Excel, in the Excel window, select CSV when you want to save the file. You can still leave it as an Excel file, it will still go, but normally I will save it in CSV, but normal Excel file is still fine, okay? All right, so I will go to import contacts. No matter how many they are, you can simply import. So I click to import. If you know the title of your contact, this is now your this data opener is a file manager where you have the document. So I think I saved the file with something that has to do with July. Okay, see the contacts here. I'm importing them right away. I'm importing the contacts right away. Now, if it doesn't show, maybe there is an issue, so I go through it again. Sometimes that happens, so let me check again. I'll try it again. Try to import the contacts. So you've seen the contacts appear. I'm checking through to be sure that all the names are there. Now I can see no name. I remove that one because it will be embarrassing sending message with name. The name code and the person has no name. So now everybody here has a name. Okay, so I think I'm good to go. Now by this time you should have recharged your phone. Okay, the way I explained in the simple guide, in the short guide on sending SMS at less than 1 naira. Okay, so the number I recharged with is my second line, and I have customized or rather I have converted the what's it called again, the airtime for this. Okay, I've converted it to 8 kobo in my phone. So what I'll do now next is to begin to send, and when it starts sending, I want you to see how it reads, calling the names one after the other, and it will be sending. I hope every other thing is okay. Yeah, I think everything is okay. So I'm going to hit the send button, which is the last button we have up there. It's giving you alert after sending message, do not close from background. So it tells you if you're sending for like 2-page messages, after sending, just leave the app for a while so that all the messages will deliver. So I continue. So the messages have started sending. Say hi, lovely Alex. Hi, lovely Ben. See how it's showing one by one. By the way, I have 59 contacts here. So it's sending to each person one after the other. What I didn't do here now, which I would urge you to do in your own, is to find a way to add your own number so you get the message. So you see, it's billing me already. So as it, so it will keep sending to all these numbers, and in a short while it will be done. Okay, so I hope this helps. Yeah, it should. I hope it helps. It should. Now if this pops up in your own, just click allow. Remember I told you this is a free app. Just click allow if it shows up, so that the message will keep sending. Okay, I think they're still upgrading the app, so that's it. So I would end this video and continue with my message, having shown you how this works. Or maybe I should leave it till it ends. Let's see. It's 28, 29, about 29 left. It's 30 now. So it's sending the messages one after the other. This one, hello lovely Kosi, hello lovely love it. Okay, remember I told you if this pops up, just click allow and it will keep sending. Yeah, there might be other apps like this, but this is the one I found to be very easy going with. That's why I'm using it to do this video. When I get, and it's free too, when I get to see other ones that much better, I'll still let you know. I will even prefer the one that I can pay for, so that I wouldn't have all the ads that are showing here. Okay, it's almost there. So we're almost there. Remember, when it completes now, I'll leave the app at the background for a while so that all the messages will deliver. Okay, just click allow. Now you notice here it's done sending. It's done sending, and it says completed. Just exit the app. Now, if you want to know how to send this SMS at 8 Kobo, just use the link on my profile to contact me on WhatsApp. See you on my next upload.